Hi, this is Carrie Larson, and I am going to walk you through setting availability on Calendly. So you would want to go over on the left-hand side and choose availability, and it's going to pull up your schedule. There's a couple different views you can look at. You can look at a list view or you can look at a calendar view. To start, we're going to go back to list view. And you can see your weekly hours and you can set your weekly hours here. You can set days that you're unavailable and you can set times. So if I want to remove or I want to change, I just can go ahead and select an X and that'll change my time. If I want to add it, I can pop in here and I can change my availability. Here, I can add multiple intervals during a day. So I can add Monday 8 to 5:30, Monday 6:30 to 7:30. I can get rid of Tuesdays if I want, and I could get rid of Thursdays if I wanted. You can also add state-specific hours. And so you could set the date and put the times that you would not be available for those days. And then you can also look at calendar view. And this just gives you kind of the view for the month. And you can do the same thing in calendar view. You can come in and you can select the date and you have a couple options. You can edit a date or you can reset to weekly hours. Reset to weekly hours means that whatever times you have set for that day of the week, every day of that week will be the same time frame. So if I want to edit within the calendar, it's going to pop up and say that I'm editing for that date. And here I'm going to just adjust my hours here and you hit apply. And now it's just changed it for that date in particular. Another thing to look at on the availability page is that you can go to holidays. And holidays has preset dates that you can toggle on and off. And so you can go ahead and set these already and your calendar would already be set. So when you're setting your availability, you don't have to add holidays also. It already has it set up for you. Going back to schedules and calendar view, if we look towards January 1st, which we had as a holiday that I had toggled on, you can see it makes January 1st unavailable. And that is how you set availability on Calendly.